Mr. Speaker, I present a brief report of what we have on our desk as the Standing Committee for Health, Sanitation and Representative Rights. Our committee visited 5 wards, being Bahari, Mkomani, Witu, Faza and Hindi, and uncovered urgent health crises affecting our youths. Among them being rising drug abuse, increasing mental health cases, lack of a morgue at King Fahad Hospital, the new SHA cover becoming hard to access, and our sub-county hospitals having few doctors. Mr. Speaker, as a committee, we recommend that a bold action be taken on county-wide mental health campaigns, youth support centers, a fully equipped modern mortuary at King Fahad Hospital, stronger SHA support, and hiring more health professionals. A healthy youth is a healthy lamb. Let's act now. Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, I will inform the House that I will be submitting the detailed report to the Clerk of the Assembly so that members can consider and review. Thank you.